Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia if this is your first time visiting. Today I am sharing with you how to make a Christmas swag. I like placing these around my garage and on my front porch, but these would be great on a door instead of an actual wreath as well. All the materials that I'm using are leftover from my Christmas planters that I've made. If you have not seen that video, I will link it down up in the corner. I love making these, and it's a great thing when I have lots of branches left over, because then it helps me create these wonderful swags, which I have started making several years ago with the leftover materials. These are very easy to make, and I think they're a great addition to your decor. I start off with the pine because it is the longest, they're the longest branches that I've had, and then I add some cedar. And you want to add different types of branches because they add a lot of different textures to the swag. I am using a floral wire to tie them all together, and I'm just not using one. I attach every piece that I add to it.
Only you and me. I'll be making plans, make you understand. I'm not gonna play it safe. I'm not gonna play it safe. It's going down on Christmas Day. 'Cause I've been trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow still I wanna have someone to hold.
Then I go in with some noble fir because it's a more fuller but a smaller branch.
Now get it done, I'm not gonna wait and ride around the mistletoe. I'm gonna let my feelings show. I've been waiting for so long for you, but now I got it planned. I know just what to do.
Then I go in with fillers. First I'll go in with greenery fillers. I had some boxwood left over, so I use that, but you can do eucalyptus, you can do magnolia leaves, really any branches that you're using that are more finer, I guess. And then I go in with some of my artificial fillers, and these are things that I have had left over.
Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
And then I add some artificial fillers and a lot of color. You could also add real berries if you had any. I don't. I am adding these Dollarama berries that I picked up that I have also in my Christmas planters. And then I just added some leftover picks from years before that I've had. Some of these have broken, but I just kept the ones that didn't. You can cut these as well to fit your size. I mean, the possibilities are endless. You can coordinate them towards your color themes in your home. And then one of the very last things that I've added was the bow on top.
Christmas, we're gonna dance.
We're gonna dance, dance, dance,
Come on.
dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart.
Here it is all finished. I had added some ribbon to it, hanging. Don't mind my pumpkins in the background. I hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.
Up to all those smells and sounds, racing downstairs to see what might be under the Christmas tree. Oh, can I please